Okay, example 7, find all the solutions to the equation 15x to the fourth plus 32x squared equals 23x cubed plus 92x plus 112. Correct to 2 decimal places. How many solutions are possible in this problem? 4, because the highest power is 4. It's either going to be 4, 2, or 0. All right? When you're looking at a polynomial function, the number of solutions is equal to the highest power or 2 less than that all the way down to 0. So if there's 4 answers, there could be 2 answers. There can't be 3. All right? There could be 3, but one of those would happen twice. All right? There could be 4 answers, but it could be 1, 1, 2, and 2. It looks like 2 answers. 1, 1, 2, and 3 would be 3 answers, but 1 happened twice. But 4 solutions should happen, or 2, or 0. And if 2 happen, there's 2 imaginary. If 0 happen, there's 4 imaginary. There's always 4 answers, but sometimes they're real, sometimes they're imaginary. But just keep in mind, we could get up to 4 answers to this. What's wrong with the equation to begin with? Doesn't equal 0. So do we want to move everything left or everything right?
Left.
Left, okay. I'll go with the first person who spoke, so it doesn't matter again. The only difference is one's going to go like this, one's going to go like that. So they cross 0 at the same spot. So 15x to the fourth. I'm going to go descending order, so I'm going to go minus 23x cubed plus 32x squared minus 92x minus 112 equals 0. Each higher power you go with x, you can expect the graph to really have big discrepancies as you get further out. So negative 10 to 10. So the higher the power, the closer the answers get to 0 typically. So being between negative 10 and 10 is usually pretty safe. And here we have 2 different powers, 4 and 3, where you have to hit the caret key to get to them. Again, be careful that you hit the right arrow after you get the power typed, or else you have to retype everything. And it is annoying. Okay, so again, I've typed it all in. I'm going to go ahead and hit Zoom 6. Because again, I always start with the standard viewing window when I'm trying to solve an equation.
I got a straight line.
And a straight line simply means that it is really rapidly decreasing or really rapidly increasing.
Oh.
If you really want to see curvature, just change your y. Okay, all I care about is where it crosses. So one answer is close to -1, one answer is between 2 and 3. So I have all the information I need from that. But again, if you really want to see nice curvature of your graph, go to your window. A very straight up line or a very straight down line just means it's really going fast. So it's going to go really high and really low. So I'm going to go maybe to negative 2,000 and 2,000. Oops. Negative 2,000.
That's a high number.
2,000. And that might not even get it. Let's see.
Where'd you put your scale at?
I had 200 scale.
Oh,
There you go.
That's pretty.
All right. Now we know there could be up to 4 solutions to this, right? So if you look at this and ask yourself, and I've been through calculus, so I can tell there's only 2 answers there based on what it looks like, because it kind of comes down, it flattens out a little bit, and goes down a little bit more. So that tells me that some stuff's going on, and that all the stuff's there. You guys don't have the trained eye yet for that, so you wouldn't necessarily see that. So you might think, hey, there could be more answers to this. All right. If you think there might be more answers, just extend x. So go negative 20 to 20. And obviously nothing's happening too much below, so maybe negative 300 is enough to go down. Let's go up to maybe 4,000 and see if we can see more of this graph. It looks pretty much the same. So there's nothing telling me it's going to go back down to hit those other 2 answers, right? So I can be pretty much assured those are the only answers there are to this problem. But again, the initial view I saw of the Zoom 6, the Zoom standard, got me what I needed to see, which was there's an answer really close to -1. I think, there we go, and an answer between 2 and 3. So somebody walk me through this. Tell me what to do to find the answers right there, close to -1. Let's go with Logan.
I'll go to second, calc 0.
Ooh.
Okay, good start.
Then pick a left bound, so like -2.
Okay.
Right bound 0.
Okay.
I guess -0.5.
Okay, and don't put that much thought into the guess, as long as it's between -2 and 0, because those are your left and right bounds, it'll find the answer. If there's 3 answers, and let's say I picked left bound of -10 and a right bound of 10, there's 2 answers there, I don't want to pick close to the one I want. But if you're picking a left bound and right bound only around one answer, as long as you're between the numbers you picked, you'll find the answer.
Pick the right answer.
Okay, -0.8 is the right answer, how about
Clutch.
that? That is clutch.
Good, yeah, good thing
X
to listen
equals
to me.
-0.8. Tell you what, she must have a trained calculus IQ to see that answer.
Oh, yeah.
And it does say correct 2 decimal places, again, that's exactly 0.8, or -0.8, so just go 1 decimal place on that. And Renee, walk me through the same process. I want to find this answer.
You have to completely go to Calc 0 again.
Go to Calc 0 every time, so,
For the left bound, 2,
okay,
and then 3,
right bound 3.
and 1.4.
Okay, now, you said left bound 2, right bound 3, then guess 1.4.
Oh, I mean, 2.4.
2.4, I knew what you meant, but I just want to make sure, okay, 2.4. And she got, 2.33, very good. So X equals 2.3 repeating. Again, they want 2 decimal places, so I stop at 2. There's my 2 solutions to the problem. And that is the answers.